If you have a collection of classic CDs sitting around in a box and taking up space, or you just love that tangible, ritualistic feeling of spinning physical media, you really should check out this retro portable CD player in Walnut Brown. It blends the vintage turntable aesthetics with modern Bluetooth and digital connectivity. Today, I'm going to try and break down as many features as I can, test out the sound quality, and just take a look at it all around, and see maybe if it's worth also adding to your setup like I've added it to mine. Okay, guys, I am going to try to run through as many features as I can for this because there are a lot of them. So first we'll start with the fact that it has this beautiful walnut brown type finish, and the mid-century modern retro turntable type styling. So start there, which is super cute. This is about the size of it to give you an idea. And it's very portable. Out of the box, it is coming with a full-size remote, an AUX cable, and your USB charger. I didn't need the brick because I just plugged this into my surge protector, but yeah, it does come with this if needed. Again, it is USB-C charging, so it is not a proprietary cable. So if something happens and you do lose this, or you're somewhere and you forgot to bring it, you just need a USB-C cable to charge it. Now, because this is an LCD screen, on film or on the camera, it is looking like it's blinking. It's not. It is a solid look. So this is going to be your battery indicator. It's going to tell you this is open. It's also going to go through the different modes for you. So when I start it, it tells you like it's loading. It's going to tell you the track numbers and all of that. And when you start changing the different modes, and you switch from CD to other things, that's where this is going to have that, and it tells you how much time is on your track. So all of your information is going to be here on this little LCD screen. Another nice feature about this is that it is both it's Bluetooth two-way. It's two-way Bluetooth 5.3. You can have receiver mode where you can pair a smartphone or tablet and stream Spotify or podcast straight through the CD player's speakers, which are right here, or transmitter mode, pop in a physical CD like this one and stream the audio wirelessly to your favorite Bluetooth headphones and or soundbar or other speaker. So yeah, you have Bluetooth both ways. Now, of course, the question comes up, how's the sound? Well, it's hard to share that over a video, but I think it sounds great, especially for the size of this little speaker. Let's see if you can hear it.
Call it imposing, call it composing, call it insane. But when I'm surrounded, I just can't stop. It's a matter of instinct, it's a matter of conditioning, a matter of fact.
It also has several bass modes, and you can change the modes throughout to meet what you're listening to. So again, if you're streaming like a podcast or something, you can change the audio mode. Also with this remote, it'd be easier to switch through things, but I forgot to mention it has an FM tuner also with all of the things. So some other notable features. Again, here's the power on off. So when you're not using it, you can go ahead and turn it off here. This is the USB-C for charging. I will take that out. You can also use a USB stick to put in here. So if you have like a thumb drive you want to put in here, it will play from that. This is your aux cable. So if you want to connect something via the aux cable, you can do that. You can plug in headphones and listen to wired headphones using this. And this is an optical cable port. Another thing to note, not only will this play your traditional studio CDs, you can play CDRs, CDRWs, and it can have MP3s and all of that on those CDRs and CDWs. It can pick up any of that and play that. So if you've made some mixed CDs in your time and you want to break those out and play them on this, it will be able to play those. So again, this little guy has packed with features and has so much opportunity for you to be able to do so much with it. I'm sure I'm missing something, and as I get to use it more, my little nostalgia card is very excited because I have probably hundreds of CDs collecting dust that I can break out now and use it. And like I said, if you're just getting into collecting music or you have a collection, this would be, I think, would be a great addition for you. Be a great gift or for someone you love or for yourself. So I hope this review helps.